This is Judy from Artistic Artifacts in Alexandria, Virginia. So we sell these fabulous wooden printing blocks, and I do have a video on the wooden printing block page that shows you how to print with them. But this week we got an email from one of our customers asking, well, how do you clean them? How do you clean them? Well, we've always been very careful about not soaking them in water. They do have a little bit of oil on them which helps stop the paint and the water from seeping into the wood. But I will tell you, when I was in India, these are in water baths. The blocks are just put in these big, huge pools of water. I still don't recommend that. So they never go back to quite the way that they were, because they're going to show some paint in there. And when you first get wood blocks, you're going to say, okay, well, I'll just use a toothbrush, an old toothbrush. No, forget the toothbrush, forget the nail, the little nail brush. So we go to heavy duty floor scraping brushes. You can't hurt them. So generally, acrylic paint is water-based, so it should come off in water. Unless you let them dry for several months like I do, and then it's a little bit tougher. So here's one that's been scrubbed, and here's one that still has the paint on it. But if you can see, the paint has not interfered with the pattern. So I just keep stamping. And metallic is going to be a little bit more than acrylic. So in this one has, the paint has kind of gone into the pattern here, and we've done the best that we can with a scrub brush and water. So what I would do with this one is I would take a pan, like a cookie sheet type pan, put some Murphy's oil in it. You don't need, just a little bit, and I would sit this down in the pan and leave it alone overnight. So you're getting the face of the paint. Murphy's oil will take paint off of this, will take it off of your brayer, and you soak it. So you soak this in Murphy's, which is conditioning also, and then you scrub to get the paint off of it, but the Murphy's oil is gonna loosen it up. But that's really kind of the worst block I have. Most of the time I just keep printing. If you want to, you can be printing while the paint is still wet and take it off with a baby wipe, but I'm never that organized, but you can try that as well. They're very sturdy, they last a long time, and they are a lot of fun, but skip the toothbrush. All right, thanks, have fun.